silence like a wall between a better you and I. So if you see me losing sight of all the death in life, you find the peace in every time I fail to see the death in mine. Let all the fear inside you drown. Tear out the blade and lay it down. Save sorrow for the souls in doubt. Bleed every care out. Will you carry me down the aisle that final day? With your tears and gold and shaking from the weight. When you lower me down beneath that sky of gray, let the rain fall down and wash away your pain. Oh, the blood is rushing out. Oh, I'm better off without. The walls are closing in. Oh, sing for me again. Down the aisle that final day. With your tears and gold and shaking from the way.